Inside the Australian Dollar Factory, how plastic money is made, full process.
Check the alignment on the green line.
I'm adjusting the calibration now.
Keep a close eye on the registry marks.
See the readout here. The uniformity is holding steady at 99.8.
Right, the sensor array confirms that down the line. The consistency looks good on my end.
Yeah, but the sensor array is showing a slight thickness variation near the edge.
The consistency looks good on my end.
Yeah, but the sensor array is showing a slight thickness variation near the edge. Check the alignment on that last batch B.
Looks spot on, the layering is perfect. Security features are aligned.
The output on the polymer sheets is exceeding the target.
Yes, the precision is spot on according to the tablet data.
Check the alignment on that last batch.
Looks good from here, mate. The precision is spot on.
Check the warping on that one.
Yeah, that's a reject. Get it off the line.
The alignment on batch 7 is holding steady.
Good. Keep a close eye on the feed rate into the presses.
We need to monitor the tension on the next run.
The digital readout looks fine, but I'll double check the calibration.
Check the registration on cylinder 3. The magenta alignment looks slightly off on this batch.
Confirmed. Adjusting the parameters now.
Alignment on the last batch looks perfect.
Confirmed. We are maintaining optimal precision across all sheets.
Alignment check complete. Pressure holding steady.
Confirmed. Tactile output is within tolerance.
The adhesion rate dipped slightly here.
Machine 12 compensated immediately. Yield remains optimal.
The optical density on the stripe looks good.
Yeah, the alignment is perfect on this batch. There's a slight colour anomaly on the latest run.
Rerouting the stack now for secondary review. The threshold is extremely tight on this series.
Looks like we're within tolerance.
Confirmed, we are good to continue to cutting.
Check the alignment on cutter 3. Looks good from here, maintaining speed. Check the alignment on line 3, the sensor spiked.
Looks stable now, probably just a misfeed. Everything else is green.